Here are 3 different oil pastel techniques for you to try. The first one is a seamless blend. First, lay down some colours next to each other, and then with your finger, lightly rub over the area where the 2 colours join. By doing this, you'll get a really nice smooth blend. The second technique is a stipple effect. Just make random dots and lines on your paper and gradually start to blend colours next to each other. It's a really nice way to create texture on your piece of artwork. The final technique we're going to look at is scratching back. Lay down one base colour, rub over the surface to make sure it's nice and smooth, and then choose a contrasting colour. Work over the top, and then when you're done, get a nice sharp instrument like a wooden stick or a scraping tool and make your marks into the oil pastel. It's a really nice decorative effect.